How to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this guide, we're going to look at a step-by-step process on how you can fix if your Bluetooth is not working on Windows 11. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Bluetooth application, or you can just go to your quick tray over here and then make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Once you make sure that is turned on, you want to head over to your settings menu. And from this, you could go to Bluetooth and devices. Once you open it up, you'll find Bluetooth. Make sure that this is toggled on. And then if there are any devices you want to manually add, you can click on Add Device, and then you should be good to go. The next step is to check your services. Go to the search bar at the bottom and simply search for Services and hit Enter. Once you open up your services here, you need to find your Bluetooth services. So simply go ahead and scroll down until you find Bluetooth. I'll just tap on any one of them and type on B. And once you do that, you'll find your Bluetooth services over here. There are three services. That is Bluetooth User Support Service, Bluetooth Support Service, and then Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. The first thing you need to do is make sure that all of these are set to automatic. So basically go ahead and right click on this, then go to Properties. Now from manual, you're going to have to choose the startup type to automatic. Tap on Apply and then OK. Do the same thing for all these three as well. So you can just go ahead and right click on it, then go to Properties, make sure that is automatic, click on Apply and then OK. Now once you do all of this, there's one more thing you can do, that is check your device manager. Basically, just go to your search bar down below and then search for Device Manager and hit Enter. Now you can find your Device Manager over here and try to find Bluetooth. If you don't see your Bluetooth over here, what you can do is go to View and then make sure to Show Hidden Devices. So here you have types of devices, this, and then you just basically need to check this to show hidden devices. The Bluetooth should appear here on your screen. Tap on the drop down. Make sure that you check the updates for the driver. Tap on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers already installed, then you are good to go. And these are some of the steps you can do to fix if your Bluetooth is not working. If you found the tutorial helpful, consider liking the video down below and leave a subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about latest updates. And I'll see you guys in the next video.